Hello friend, welcome to Digital Study, your true well-wisher. I am SN Hawk and today I will discuss the current affairs of May 6. So friend, before starting this, please subscribe my channel and allow all notification so that you can easily access all my videos. So the first question of today, Serum Institute of India SII is going to invest $300 million in which country? Serum Institute of India is going to invest $300 million in UK. Some information about this, it will made AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine in collaboration with Oxford. The PM of UK is Boris Johnson. So, second question of today. Parker Solar Probe national radio emission detected in Venus atmosphere was sent by whom? It was sent by NASA. Some information about it. NASA's Parker Solar Probe during a brief swing of Venus reveals this. And the full form of NASA, we all know that National Aeronautics and Space Administration was established in 1958. So, third question. What is the name of world's first artificial intelligence ship? The name of the ship is Mayflower 400. Marine Research Organization in collaboration with IBM has built it, and this is set to sail on transatlantic voyage. This is set to sail on transatlantic voyage. So next question. Shangri-La will be hosted by which country? Shangri-La is a summit. It will hosted by Singapore. This year Shangri-La will host by Singapore. Some information about Shangri-La Summit. It is an Asian Security Summit of 2021. It is attended by Defense Ministry and military chiefs of 28 Asia Pacific states. So next question. Who has won World Snooker Title 2021? Do you know this? This is Mark Selby. While defending Swan Murphy, Mark Selby has won this title and he was from UK. Next question. Reserve Bank of India announces term liquidity facility of how many rupees? Emergency health security. For emergency health security. So Reserve Bank of India announces 500 crore rupees. So this was announced by Reserve Bank Governor Shaktikant Das for stabilize the economic condition of COVID-19. The headquarters of RBI is in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and it is established in 1st April 1935. So next question. Manas Bihari Burma, who has recently passed away, is related to which field? Do you know who is Manas Bihari Burma? He was a famous aeronautical scientist and he was close to Kalam. Some information about him. He was former President Dr. Kalam's close aeronautical scientist and he was famous for the development of light combat aircraft Tejas. Light combat aircraft Tejas was made totally indigenous by DRDO and he has a great contribution for making this. And he was awarded Padma Shri in 2018. Next and last question of today. Asian Elite Man and Women Boxing Championship will be held in which country? So this will be held in Dubai. Some information about it. It is organized by Asian Boxing Confederation and it is scheduled to be held in New Delhi, but in the typical condition of COVID-19 in India, it will be held in Dubai. So friend, that's all for today. If you need the PDF of this lesson, please subscribe my Telegram channel. The link of my channel is given in the description box. Please like my channel and share this as much as possible. So friend, that's all for today. Thank you.